Logistics firms in Yiwu, China are looking into ways to help offset the high costs currently plaguing the global shipping industry. Fees on routes from China to places like America and Europe have gone up sharply since last year, sometimes by 600%. As a way to reduce costs, clients are combining their orders with other customers whose shipments are headed in the same direction.
Now, many clients will use group shipments when goods are traveling to the same port or the same country, so that they can share the freight and pay less money. It can reduce their financial stress.
Another option, disassembly. This shipping firm says clients are making better use of the container space by ensuring every last inch is filled.
Typically, each high-cube container can hold about 2,140 products like this. But after disassembling and repacking the goods, it can hold 3,000 products, which can reduce customers' freight costs from $1,500 to $1,600 per high-cube container.
According to Yiwu Customs data, the region's exports increased by 32% from last year, totaling more than $13 million in export values.